अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आपका मेरा वीडियो में स्वागत है। आज मैं सलाद में बनाने जा रही हूँ। Oh my god, it's too hard to say in Hindi because it's too long. If I want to say in my language, I just say like salat slugi ketbarpan ili man salat tayarlamoqchiman. It's just like this. In Hindi it's too long and for remember also it's too hard. Okay, so today I'm going to cook salat. In Uzbekistan we make this salad in summer and we eat in winter because winter we can't find your salad thing, all vegetables, so we just make in summer and we eat in winter. Okay guys, so in India I'm going to cook Okay, so guys, I'm going to try to make this salad in India first time. So I think my husband also going to try this salad and first time, right, baby? Huh? I think he's on there watching something from phone. So, chalo, let's go for make salad. So here is what I cut: capsicum and dhania, pudina, and there is cucumber, tomato, then pyaz, also garlic. So now you have to keep pyaz, also you have to add namak, salt, I mean like 1 or 1/2, like how much you want. Then mix it by your hand, like one by one, just like this. You can also see how I'm mixing. Looks like this, and you keep it like 10 minutes to other side, and now you start keeping all vegetables. First capsicum, and next cucumber, all, but just keep like carefully, because otherwise it's broke. Tomato, and garlic, now you have to put mint, coriander, and chili, green chili. this up and down, and also don't touch anything. Don't use spoon or just like any mixing things. Just you do like this up and down. Okay, so now mixturing is done, and now I'm going to keep all of masalas. First I'm going to keep lal march, green or red chili. I keep 1 spoon, but like how much you want you can keep, 1 or 2. And coriander. And now I'm going to keep garam masala. If you have this powder, you can keep, otherwise lemon. I just had like 1 or 2, then that's why I'm just keeping this. They will give some smell or some tasty. So this I'm just keeping. If you don't have, then no need to keep. After you're keeping all masalas, then you have to mix it for like 5 or 10 minutes. Now it's done. Now salad is ready to cover it. Like half hour or 1 hour. I open it after half hour, so it's just looks like this. And also should be have like water. And if you have sieve, it's good for the salad. If you don't have, just make it like this. I will show you how to keep. Now you can see it's already inside. And also water also less. You just have to make it hot and cover it like for 1 hour. Before this 1 hour, you just wash this bottle, then keep inside black pepper. You have to keep at least like 6 or 7, not less than 6. How much you want, you can keep. Okay. Now I'm going to show you salad. It looks like this. You can, if you have a big one, you can keep in big one. If you have a small, you can keep whatever you want. You just keep it like this, and also make it down, and also cover it for 24 hours, one day. After, next day you can open and also can try, because they takes time, so that's why we will cover it. And if you can, if you have time, you can keep it like any month or year. It will nothing will happen. But after 24 hours, don't forget, you have to open it and keep some cold place. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my videos, and also try my Uzbekistan traditional salad.